at the Commons Mall, there's this Italian sandwiches that, you know, they don't use any mayo, they don't use nothing.
There's All'Antico Vinaio at the Uncommon.
Yeah, we got to All'Antico Vinaio, one of the most popular Italian sandwiches. It's not a sub, but it's popular Italian sandwiches here in Las Vegas. I believe it just opened up 3 months ago. Lau in Vegas, a TikTok influencer, saw his video, I saw it, so we're gonna go there. Thanks again for the subscribers who send me all these videos.
This sandwich was the Paradiso. They start with fresh, crusty bread. It's loaded with pistachio cream, stracciatella cheese, mortadella, and fresh pistachios.
So at least I can see, rather than just coming here and just going and spending a couple hours and eating like we used to do. We just look at these videos that are subscribers, and then what we do, we take tidbits of it and then go and check out the main dish that they're very happy about. But again, we're heading down there.
All'Antico Vinaio.
Okay, we're bastardizing the name, but All'Antico Vinaio, we'll go check it out. All right, guys, we're here at the Uncommons, and you know what? I don't know. We'll call it the Italian sandwich shop. We can't say the name properly. But guess what? You know Chef Dice, right? Check this out. Right there, the Durango Hotel and Casino. What a coincidence! We're gonna go check that place out right after this. We went there. We ate at a free spot. Oh, you know what? We're like maybe a block away. We're like a block away from, you can smell the artisan bread. I can smell like the meats that they use. But it's a new eater place across the Durango Hotel and Casino. But again, thank you very much for spending a day with me and my lovely wife. And then, you know what? Let's go eat. All right, we're here. Lau from Vegas. This is basically what he said. This place is gonna be busy. We think we came in early enough where there's a line inside though. We can see there's a line inside at All'Antico Vinaio. All right. Thank you.
No, I'm good.
Thank you.
Cut it.
Yeah. Oh, and I come. Whole bunch of mortadella on a flatbread and what pistachio spread. But you know what? It's for $18. You can split it into two. Well, a $9 sandwich, basically. Not bad. And you know what? They serve Italian Sicilian drinks, and this is basically the lemon soda. Let's try it. Not bad. Lemonade. It's like eating a sandwich dip. Yeah, texture like hummus. Whole bunch of mortadella. Everything's all gooing out. Check that out. Pistachio spread, nice and crunchy. No mayonnaise. Wash it down with this.
Oh, this is good though.
Well worth it, guys. one note that they had wines over here, but they didn't have a license yet, so they will be having wines here pretty soon.